Dad, is it your evening shift today?
Yes, son. There is some electric faults in Street 64. We have to be in the location for repair. It is an emergency. Take care of yourself, Dad. Yes, Jimmy. We are taking as much protection as possible.
Bye, Dad.
Bye. Stay home. Stay safe.
Hey Mr. Parker, have you reached Street 64 with your team?
Yes, we are here. We have started working on the electrical fault.
I will be there soon and take care of the roadblock.
Thanks for coming. There was not enough traffic today because of the restrictions.
Thank you, sir, for your emergency services.
We all have to come together to keep everything running.
Rightly said, sir.
Hello everyone, how are you doing?
Hello, Mrs. Green.
We are doing good. Come, let's start our session for coding. In today's session, we shall learn about debugging, applying conditionals, nested loops, and creating your own story. First, let us understand what is an algorithm. An algorithm is a list of steps which you can follow to finish a task. In computing, programmers write algorithms that instruct the computer how to perform a task. For example, if you want to bake a cake from a box mix, you would follow the number of steps written on the box or instruction manual. This sequence of steps is an algorithm to bake a cake. Sometimes the algorithms may have errors and we need to identify them. This process of identifying and removing errors from a program is called debugging, like removing bugs. Let us begin our practice session with course 2 of code.org. We shall look into lesson 10 on debugging. In this lesson, the bee needs to reach the flower and get nectar from it. In the given instructions, the bee needs to move forward by 3 steps and get nectar. Let's run the program. Oh no, the program is wrong. We need to find the problem and debug the program. The bee needs to move forward by 4 steps and then get nectar. Let's run the program again. See, now it's correct. You can solve the other problems in the same way. Now, we shall learn about applying conditionals. You have all come across a situation. If it is a Sunday or a Saturday, you stay at home, else you can go to school. Here, the day of the week is a condition. Here the purple flowers can have 1 nectar or 0 nectar. We won't know until we run the program. If there is a nectar, then the bee gets the nectar. So in the program, move forward is used in a loop thrice. Then a condition is applied. If there is nectar equal to 1, that is, if there is a nectar, then what should the bee do? Get the nectar, else nothing happens. Let's run the program. Yes, it's correct. This is an excellent example where both loop and conditions both have been used. Next we go to lesson 17 to see how we can create a story using codes. Here we need the dog to say hello world. In order to do so, we type hello world here so that when the program is run, the dog says hello world. Now we have a dog and a cat. We can make up a conversation where the dog says something first and then the cat replies. How about hello cat? And then the cat says hello doggy. Wow! Next we shall look into nested loops. Nested loops mean a loop within a loop. For example, in this design, the artist needs to draw a triangle first and then draw it thrice. So in the first loop the triangle is drawn, then this is repeated thrice. So it's a loop within a loop. Did you like this video? Do you have questions regarding this video? Don't forget to put your comments below. This is Mrs. Green signing off. See you soon.